Go. This kid's still staring. She's coming back. Burp again. She came back. Burp again. Do it. She came back. She ran away. Oh my god. Okay, get ready. More people's gonna come soon. I can hear them. So excited. You can fucking. Oh my god.
Yeah!
Take it serious. Do it.
I almost swear to God, this one kid take a puff of their
Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
It's fucking teacher. Dude, listen to me, it's all real, buddy. It's all real.
Those are speakers.
Ah, so funny.
Oh wow, you guys are recording.
Yeah, this is what we do fucking whenever we can our free day when we don't have school. We fucking just burp at children. This is the first time of us taping it, so I hope you guys find it as funny as we do, because this is a fucking joke.
No,
okay,
people.
you can throw people.
Kill people.
You can't see them.
Yeah, we got them already.
So there's no one else coming. No.
Well, fucking turn it around.
Oh my god.
We have to keep the curtains down to disguise ourselves. Okay, we'll take some more when fucking. Oh yeah, this. Oh wait, who's gone? He's giving you a drink. Oh man.
That guy was so annoyed with you.
Yeah.
Oh
Those are my
God.
favorite ones when the people are super fucking disgusted.
I just died.
Yeah, those are my favorites. So all you haters out there, I love you guys. Keep on hating on me, please.
Please.
Alright, that's the end. I'll tape some more when more children come by. I think that was enough though.